If you made it this far, I hope you enjoyed that little montage, and thank you for watching. So, Camaya is a collection of 7 bamboo houses and 1 Balinese cottage in Salat, which is 20 minutes outside of Cinnamon. So, if you're trying to escape the crowds of Bood, this is definitely the place. While we only stayed at Camaya for 2 nights, it was everything we could have dreamed of and then some. The views were incredible, and the service and the staff were so amazing.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Amanda.
Yay! They really went above and beyond any expectations we had at staying at the villa. But if we're being completely honest, here's what we think. Location: 8.5 out of 10. Camaya is located in a secluded area off the beaten path, which is great because there is no better place to connect with nature. However, if you do not dine in the villa or at the restaurant, there are not many options within walking distance. In my opinion, it's a small price to pay for being so secluded. With your booking, Camaya offers a free scooter, and if you have an international driver's permit and are familiar with driving with 2 wheels, you can reach a few local warongs in under 5 minutes. The villas are located roughly 90 minutes from Ubud, and we use Get Your Guide for our private transfer. Scan the QR code on the screen, or click the link in the description below. The landscape and the views, definitely a 10 out of 10. From the minute you step onto the property, you will be amazed at the rice terraces and the views that you have from your villa. I could have easily laid in the pool or sat in the hammock or on the net the entire day and watched the world go by and the people working at the rice terraces. It was just that incredible and amazing to see. For the food, I'm going to go with a 9 out of 10 because the first night we were too tired to go out, so we ordered room service and we got it delivered directly to the villa. First night at Camaya, and we just had dinner served to our room in our living room. This is so cool. Indonesian pork ribs, steamed rice. What'd you get, carbonara?
Pomodoro.
Pomodoro. And this is Amanda's dessert. Brownie. That's a huge brownie. Both mornings we spent at the villa, we had breakfast delivered to our room, and it was also really good. The more time we got to enjoy the villa, the better. Remember that time we had breakfast above the rice terraces? And you got sang to for a happy birthday. Hospitality, definitely 11 out of 10. The people there are so incredibly nice, and as soon as you step foot, they make you feel welcome and at home. Check-in is a breeze, and you'll be offered a welcome drink to cool you down. Speaking of cooling you down, luxuries and amenities, 9.5 out of 10. Yes, you are in nature and there are no walls, so to speak, but that's what's so great about Camaya. Keep the lights down at night, draw the mosquito net around the bed, and close the curtains so you don't have any problems with any bugs. The villa does not come with any air conditioning, and I would like to see another fan added to the room, but overall it was pretty comfortable at night. Being that you are up in the mountains, it is a little cooler in Salat versus Ubud, or definitely Uluwatu or Canggu. Services, 10 out of 10 here because they offer so much. They even have an entire activity book you can look through if you have nothing booked for your stay. Last but not least is the value. So we know on this channel, I'm talking about value traveling all the time. So I'm going to give this a 9 out of 10 for value traveling. It is a little bit more expensive compared to Bali standards. However, you get so much for your money, and I could spend literally my entire stay at the villa and I would have been completely happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe down below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. And until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating. Peace.